will. All right. This is the elevator at the Westbound Plaza 88 for the SkyTrain to Waterfront.
Yep.
This is a traction elevator.
Yes, and this elevator was built in this year. It was replaced by another one made by Montgomery.
Yeah.
So we're going to the street level.
Street level, okay. This is a traction elevator.
Yep, a machine roomless traction one too.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually a Thyssen-Krupp, sorry about that.
Okay.
And now,
Let's go to the trains.
back to the trains.
Okay, we'll go one more down to street and up to trains.
Yes.
Good. Okay, and they have buttons on both sides.
Yes.
Yeah.
The oldest elevator that I've ever ridden on was the Montgomery one at the Vancouver Art Gallery in downtown Vancouver.
Okay. I filmed that in 2010.
Yes.
That was a Montgomery.
Yeah, I got it in both 2011 and 2012, but in 2011 it sounded funny. It went like,
Press the train button.
yeah, trains, back to the trains finally. And here we are in our mirror.
All right.
This time get a mirror of us together as we pass, see?
All right, that's us. And did you even? I've just filmed my Conic 10 elevator.
Yeah.
Do you know where is that one at?
No.
That one is at Metro Tower 1.
Yeah. And I just wanted to say, you remember that Schindler elevator at Boston Pizza?
Yeah, that's the empty buttons.
Oh, I think we should get out on the street because.
Oh, okay, okay.
But we could have a look in the shaft. You can see the traveling cables and
All right.
the counterweight. So now,
Okay.
here I am.
Watch the elevator goes up.
This time, look through the shaft.
Okay. Elevator's closing. Okay, I'll take a look at this.
And you see there are the traveling cables. See? Those are the traveling cables there.
I don't see. There. I see the cables. Yeah. Okay, there's concourse level.
Yeah, and the Schindler elevators have that one.
Yeah.
The
Canada line.
no, Boston Pizza.
Boston Pizza? Yeah.
And now you see there's the traveling cables, and now the counterweight is coming down.
Counterweight, yeah. You have a YouTube account?
Yep.
What is?
And also the Atmosphere ride also has that too.
Yeah. You want to go up again?
Yeah, and then that will be the end because that's where we started from.
Okay. That's blue vandal resistant buttons.
Yeah, and then you should get me when we get out and say that I was the one who helped you with this one.
Okay.
Yeah, and you see there are the traveling cables again.
All right.
And the car is here.
All right.
And now this time I'll be the operator.
Okay, now press the trains.
Up to the trains level.
Okay.
Thank you for having your valid ticket or pass readily available for inspection.
It's just talking about the fare gates of what to do.
Yeah.
Here we are again.
All right. All right.
And
Okay.
wait, you should say there you go after it closes.
All right. I'll press street when it goes down, okay?
Where you get to look at it from up here this time.
All right. cancels your floor selection when you go up, and when the elevator goes down, it cancels your floor selection.
Yep.
That's what always Thyssen-Krupp does it.
Yeah. And
Now it's coming down. It's going down.
yep. And now we get to look at it from both sides.
Wow.
There's the counterweight coming up.
Where's the counterweight coming? It's here. It's here. It's here. I saw it.
Yep.
There it is.
Yeah, and get me in the video just to show that I was the one who helped you here at Westminster Westbound direction. Yep.
Do you need a picture? Or
Yeah,
no?
just to show those. Well, there you go, guys.
All right. Thanks a lot. And I'll see you later.
Yeah.